Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this lip right here. I haven't decided what to call, but maybe like a dusty rose because my outfit is kind of like dusty rose. Today's look is a little bit like different from what I usually do. Usually my makeup is all about eyeshadow, but today I barely put on any eyeshadow, so yeah. Anyways, let's get into makeup. Dang, this is so light. But it's okay. So we're gonna shade everything. Anyway, let me put a darker foundation. Like a little V goes in. I'm gonna use this thing right here, the darkest color, on the outer corners of my eyes. Kind of the front too. Just like slightly. I need to like draw eyebrows because I got none. I'm gonna use Clio. Let me like draw the inner side. I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but let's just go. Okay, I just like 대충 just draw it. I don't know how to draw eyebrows with eyeliner. Period. Okay, let me just fill this in to hide my imperfections. Hey, but I think I did a really good job on this one. Now, I need to like brighten up this area a little bit. Just like slightly so that the nose contour looks a little bit more emphasized. And then eyeliner. With the same shade, I'm gonna grab a flatter brush and do my under eye fat. I want my cupid's bow as well. Today, I am putting it just in a straight line like that. And then my highlighter. And then also on the inner corners. And then just lightly curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna just fix it. The applicator is really thin, so it doesn't come out like spider legs. But since I'm putting falsies, I don't need it to be too thick. Okay, now time for falsies. I'd be using dual glue. Okay. Okay. Since I have to go thick with my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the Thick Curl Fix. And then for today's eyeliner, I'm gonna go a little like less. Okay, now one of my favorite parts, I'm gonna go with my lips. I'm gonna go for that like nude look. Just kind of like overdraw. And then from here, kind of with like a darker shade, put it in the inner corner. Right here. That looks funky. I've been seeing a lot of people do this, so I'm trying it too. Dang, I like never let this part of my eye like be this bright. But today you're gonna shine bright like a diamond. Got my contacts on. It's very like natural, but not too natural, but like natural. I think it's done. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, don't forget to give me a like and to subscribe and also leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!